Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over my VidIQ review. So this video is going to be useful for individuals who are deciding whether or not to use VidIQ for YouTube optimization. And so I've been using VidIQ for about 5 years now, and I must say that it's very affordable. I mainly use it for keyword research on YouTube, and the extension gives you a lot of useful data, such as finding emerging channels or videos. But here are some things that you have to be aware about. And if you're interested in trying out VidIQ, you can check out the link down below in the description to get 50% off your first 3 months. Now let's start off with the pros. With VidIQ, you do get really comprehensive keyword research tools that help you find exactly what people are searching for on YouTube. Plus, their browser extension shows you valuable data right on the YouTube interface, and you can see competitor analytics and trending content. But one of the downsides is that some of the advanced features require higher tier subscriptions, and the interface can be overwhelming with so much data available. Now, one of the biggest cons of VidIQ is that although the data is incredibly useful, you do have to spend some time learning how to interpret and use all the information. And what I mean by that is there's so much data available that VidIQ gives you that it's easy to get into analysis paralysis. So some days I find perfect keywords that help my videos rank. Other days I spend hours researching and never actually create content with VidIQ. I think I've found a lot of really good keywords using VidIQ, with like perfect search volume and low competition, but I've also wasted time chasing keywords that didn't actually help my channel grow. Other things with VidIQ that I really appreciate currently is that the browser extension shows me real-time data while I'm browsing YouTube, and I can quickly see which videos are trending. And I can also discover emerging channels that are growing in my niche fast. And unlike trying to guess what content will work on VidIQ actually gives me actual data to base my decisions on. Now with VidIQ, one thing to keep in mind is that you do have to take into account that the data is only good as how you use it, okay? So while the tools are powerful, you need to create good content. Now with VidIQ, there can be some temptation to over-optimize and focus too much on data. So my recommendation is that you use it as a guide, but don't let it completely dictate your content strategy. For me, for example, I learned to balance keyword research with topics I'm generally passionate about. Now, here are my 3 tips for people who want to try out VidIQ. First tip is to start with their free version and focus on learning the keyword research tools before upgrading, because there's a lot of functionality, even in the free tier. I used the free version for months before upgrading, and it taught me the basics of YouTube SEO and finding emerging channels. Second tip is use the browser extension while you're browsing YouTube to study successful videos and channels in your niche, because you can see their tags, their views, their velocity, and their engagement metrics. I spent a lot of time analyzing top performing videos to understand what makes them successful. Third tip is don't get overwhelmed by all the data and metrics, because it's easy to spend more time researching than creating. I learned to set limits on my research and focus on actually making videos. My rule is that if you're not uploading at least 2 to 3 videos per month, VidIQ might not be worth it for you. But with VidIQ though, I'd say it's been a really valuable tool overall, especially for understanding what content performs well. And finding keyword opportunities, VidIQ customer support is also really decent when you have any questions about features or billing. So with that being said, if you're considering trying out VidIQ, I'd say just try it out. You won't know until you try it out. And if you check out my link down below in the description, you can use the code DADASCO to get 50% off your first 3 months. But honestly, they even have a free version. But I hope you found this video helpful, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below.